So I thought the judging process this year was quite intense, but it was a lot of fun.
The Steel Awards 2018 architectural category showcases examples of the clean lines and unparalleled beauty of steel. Far from being purely utilitarian, steel provides limitless possibilities in terms of bringing an architect's vision to life. All Steel Awards 2018 projects can be found on the Steel Awards app, the Steel Institute's website, and in the Steel Construction Journal.
We encourage you to explore and draw inspiration from these projects, including House Matthews, Silo 3 and 4, Rissik Street Post Office, Radisson Hotel, Silo 6, Soweto Sports Centre, Wupperthal Pedestrian Bridge, and Nike, The Pulse. The finalists for the Steel Awards 2018 architectural category are
33 Baker Street. The brief to the architect for 33 Baker Street was to convert the existing building into a contemporary landmark. The curtain wall application to an existing concrete structure demanded a steel frame to achieve a modulated facade.
Club 2 has curved portals, which are particularly unique, innovative, and give great aesthetic pleasure. The portals step up and down over box gutters to let natural light into the interior spaces. They also step in and out over the facade to create deep overhangs, creating a shaded public space at the entrance of the building.
Discovery Head Office had two key factors within the architectural brief. The primary focus was to create an architectural statement that captured the essence of the Discovery brand and core values. The second factor was to improve efficiencies in the day-to-day working of the company. This concept resolved itself into two large, sun-filled internal atria around which the open floor plates were arranged. The atria are enclosed by 2,800 square meters of glazed roof with all-pores areas and agile spaces opening into them.
The dining hall of Future Africa campus is an eye-catching combination of wood cladding affixed to an intricate steel substructure. The steel framework creates a sleek look amongst the glazed elements and creates a feel of lightness to the structure.
The Go DURBAN Integrated Rapid Public Transport Network project showcases a creative way of using steel to produce a homogeneous, visually pleasing structure which was energy efficient and ahead of its time.
The floor plates of the 28-story PwC tower rotate by 1.2 degrees per floor. This results in a doubly curved surface for the building's facade and the structural line behind it. The reception is housed in a triple volume lobby. This space flows into the adjacent meeting center and is used as a cafe and informal meeting space.
The concept of the RCL Foods building delivers a significant atrium connecting all spaces and operations of the office building. The space is entirely given over to circulation, spatial connectivity, and acts as the heart of the building.
The Victor DAITZ Mathematics Center was envisaged as a combination of steel, concrete, brick, and aluminium. The sunscreen roof was envisaged as a steel filigree screen with cut-out patterns. Elements of geometry and mathematics are used here as inspiration for the creation of their forms.
The architectural brief for the V&A grain silo complex facade was to give new life to the redundant industrial building. Following the suggestion of installing convex windows into the upper stories of the building, IRPTN further developed the concept of the pillared windows.
Sloping composite concrete-filled steel columns were developed and perfected on Times Square Maslow Hotel. Due to difficult shuttering configurations, loading requirements of slabs and final architectural finishes required by the client, the engineers designed steel composite concrete-filled columns. The tree columns supporting the cube transfer structure extend from the 5th to the 11th floor.